Okay, hi. So we're going to add products to our shop now. If you're following the first video on setting up your shop, you would just click on Add Products. But if you're not there, what you do is at your home page, you can go into Manage Shop. Come down and click on Products here in your left column. Now you're going to click Add Product. You can, and you want to, add photos. Just go in, click Add Photo, select File. You're going to go in and choose the pictures you want. And when you're choosing pictures, like I want that one first. And if you were to choose this first, it will put them in, I'll show you, in that order. And that's not how I want them to show. Unfortunately, they don't allow you to change how they look. You see, I want this one first. You can't drag, you can't do anything. So what I'm going to do is I'll take that one, delete. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to use that. Hit Use Photo, that's the one I want. Click Use Photo. Now I'm going to go back and I want to add the other one as my second picture. So you're going to go in, double click, and it'll bring that over. And then we're going to hit Use Photo again, and both photos are there. Now we're going to add our name of our product, our price. Now you can also mark these on sale by clicking this button right here. Just click and then put in your sales price. Now we're going to want to put in a description, which I'm going to get from here. I'm going to copy and paste the description on my site. Now, as I mentioned before, I always put in, we offer free shipping on all items. Please be patient. It may take 2 to 3 weeks to receive your items. Thank you for your understanding. So I usually don't have any problems or complaints, so we're good there. Always make sure you put in the inventory, or it's not going to show up. It won't be approved if it has a 0 inventory, so just put something in there. Here you can share it on your page immediately as soon as it's approved. I myself don't do it. I like to decide when I want my products shown. Basically, I try to do that when I have the highest response on my page. Now, visibility, you can do it unpublished, so you can go back and make changes, or you can just make it public when it's ready to go. Free shipping is already in there because we set that up when we set up our shop. You can always add, if you wanted to do rush shipping and different pricing, you just put in how long it takes to get delivered and the price that you're charging, and if you want to do additional price per additional item, then you would click Save. Okay, return policy is usually 30 days. I just leave it at that and haven't had any problems. Then pick a product category. This is jewelry, so I'm going to choose jewelry. And we're all set. Just make sure everything's showing as you wanted it. Pricing, descriptions, and then click Save. Now it usually takes a few minutes for Facebook to approve it, depending. You can always just refresh up at the top of the page. Just refresh your browser, and you'll see if it's been approved yet. It's probably going to say pending. Let's see, processing. When it is approved, it'll say public. So the next thing you may want to do is also add collections to your page. So you can go in. Down here, you're going to click Collections, add a collection, and then put in whatever your collection is that you want to make it. You can add products, and actually you have to add products in order to save this. So make sure you have your products in first, and then you basically just click on your products, and when you've got them, just hit Add. and then save. Now, when you go in to look at your shop, you'll now see the collection you just added. There's the test with the 3 pieces of jewelry. Later down the road, if you want to add to another collection, you can click on Add Product, add your new product as we did before, and save it, and it'll show up. It also shows you all your products at the bottom, and then here are your collections. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, when you're adding your collection, you will see it'll say Feature Product. You can choose and click this when you're setting up if you know what, Feature Collection. You can click on that, and that'll be what'll show at the top of your page here. It'll be in place of this. So I don't know how to not make it a featured collection. So if you're going to do a featured collection that you want to do on top, make sure it's what you want, because the only way I found to change this is by deleting the collection and then having to put everything into it again. So my suggestion is maybe not even use it. It's up to you, your choice. If anybody does know how to do a feature collection, please make a comment below, because I'd like to learn how to do that myself. So as you can see, it's really easy to change names. You know, if you wanted to make changes, then you would just save it. It will change that. So that's that. You can easily go in and remove, like I'm just going to take this collection out, go to Actions, and delete the collection, and you're done. So that's how you add products and collections. My suggestion is to go in and double check that all is working right. When you go in, just go to your page, try to make a purchase. What Facebook does is they will take the order. You will see it when you go into Manage Shop. Go into Orders. Oh, actually, let me show you on one that that's active. Here's where you see it. Click on Orders. These are orders I've done, and after you send the order, here's all your information. You have to go in, mark it as shipped, or you will not get paid. I try to do this immediately, and you can put in the USPS number or whatever tracking number you may have, or if you use AliExpress, I just use the order number. Put a number in so that you can get paid. Facebook does take 5 to 7 days generally, sometimes 3, I don't know. But then they'll put it automatically into your bank account that you had previously set up when you set up your shop. And that's it. I'm going to show you how to quickly edit a product in the next video. Thanks.